Once upon a time in a forest, there lived a busy little ant named Andy. He was always doing something, running here and there, and never taking any breaks. One day, a carefree grasshopper named Greg came by and saw Andy and his hard work. Why do you work so hard, Andy? You should relax and have some fun like me, said Greg. Andy replied, I have to save up for winter so I can survive through the cold months. Oh, you can worry about that later. Enjoy life now, Greg said and hopped away. The season changed and winter arrived. Andy had plenty of food and a warm home, but poor Greg was shivering and starving in the cold with nothing to eat. Andy felt sorry for Greg and offered to share his food and shelter. Grateful for the kindness, Greg learned his lesson and promised to be more responsible in the future. The moral of the story is that hard work and planning ahead is essential to succeed in life. Don't let fun distract you from important tasks, or you may regret it later.